Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. So today's topic is preposition. Preposition. Let's see what the preposition is. A preposition is a word. It is a word that is placed before a noun or pronoun. It shows the relation. It shows the relation between the noun or pronoun and some other words that are in a sentence. As we all know, preposition. If we see right like this, position, it tells us the position. Preposition itself say that I am telling you the position where I am, isn't it? And pre means before a noun. So this much idea we can get from the word itself. Now let's see now. Preposition of time. That helps us to describe something that when it is happening at what time. In. So which word we all know prepositions. What do we call in, for, by, to. These are all the words etc. are being covered in the preposition. So preposition of time. Which word comes under preposition of time is in. In. For long periods. In is for long periods, like for months, years, countries, and for the parts of the day. Like, see, I was born in May. Now, from now onwards, if you are saying I was born on May, no, it will be wrong. I was born in May. I visited London in 2019 or whenever. She likes to study in the morning. So what is common in all these sentences is the time. Is a time. Time duration means I was born in May. I went to London in this time. I like to study in the morning. She likes to study in the evening. So under all these words, what comes in? Next is on. We always get confused of what to use in, where to use on. So just remember this and confusion is over. On. For specific days and dates. Like my birthday is on Monday. If it is a specific, if I am saying this time, but no specific time is given, then we use in. If a specific time is given or the day or date is given, means then we will be using on. It's on Monday. Christmas is on 25th December. Means what's the major difference between in or on? For on, things are covered in the calendar. Means days or dates. Whenever you see the calendar, you see days and dates. Then just close your eyes and write on. It would never be wrong. Like days and dates. What we'll be using for specific dates and dates means whatever the days and dates are coming in the calendar, just use on. That's it. Now let's see the next one. At is used for specific times and the short moments. It's used for preposition of time. Like the train arrives at 5 p.m. At is always used for specific things. When you know the thing is happening at this time or at this place, then only use at. It is a small tip. Let's meet at noon. I know I have to meet at noon, so I'm using at noon. Let's see one more tip for in, on, and at. In for long periods, for specific days, and this is for at is used for exact times. This was all for the time. Now, preposition of place. Words that tell us where something is located. Obviously, when I am talking about the place, I am talking about the location or situated, where something is situated or located. First, in is when in is used. In is used for inside a space or an enclosed area. I am sitting in the car because car is an enclosed area. She is in the room. I am in the class. In is for used for enclosed area. Next is the preposition of place, means where it is, like on a surface. When something is kept on something, on the surface, then what we use on. Like the book is on a table. This is a table and the book is kept on the table. The ball is on the table. The chalk is kept on my hand. Like this. There's a clock on the wall, not in the wall. It is on the wall, on the surface. Next is at. At represents at a specific point or location. Like she is waiting at the bus stop. I am saying about the specific location, like at the bus stop, at the airport. Like this. We met at the entrance. He met me at the exit point. So at the specific location. Now let's see a quick tip. In, on, at. In is used for enclosed spaces. I am in the room. I am in the class. On for surfaces. And at is for exact locations, specific locations. So this was all for the prepositions. If you like this preposition, so please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.